Welcome to today's video, and today we're talking about side hustles that can make you money. Now make sure you watch till the very end, because one of these methods is going to speak to you and it could be the very last one. And also, right at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the bonus method for making money online that could change your whole entire life. Now, first on the list is CPA marketing, also known as cost per action marketing. This is super cool and very beginner friendly because you're not needing to make a sale online. People are going to pay you for getting people to make certain actions, say filling in a survey or entering an online competition. You'll get paid, say, $2 to $5 if someone does a certain action, sometimes a little bit more and sometimes a little bit less. But it's awesome. I recommend looking into Max Bounty, CPA Lead, and Skillshare. Okay, next on the list is phone flipping. Now this method is very, very underrated. People are willing to sell their phones for cheap if they can get the cash today. So you can take advantage of this by offering to buy the phone today in cash for a lower price than what they could if they waited, and you're going to sell it for a lot more. Okay, so how this works is you'll be posting ads on, say, Gumtree, Craigslist, free places where you can post ads saying that you're going to buy phones for cash. Once you get the phones, you're going to then check them out and put them on eBay. And when they're on eBay, they're going to sell a lot higher than what you bought them for. So for example, I bought a phone, I put a Gumtree ad up, I bought a phone for $280 and I sold it for $600 on eBay. That's a $320 profit. That's massive. Okay, the next method here is for those who don't even want to leave the couch. This is the lazy way to make money from home. It's called voiceovers. So similar to this video where I could have paid someone to talk over this video, but I'm doing it myself. But a lot of people actually pay for others to read a script out for them. And it can pay quite a lot. Most people sell on the website called Fiverr. You can Google it, it's very well known. But the best part about this method is it's easy, it's fast, and you don't even have to show your face. Okay, next up is Instagram page flipping. Whether you've heard about it or not, there's two real ways to do this. You can start and grow Instagram pages from 0 followers, grow them up to then sell them later on, or you can buy other people's accounts at a low price and then resell them at a higher price. Now, the best way to do this is to focus on theme pages. So it could be luxury, cars, travel, theme pages like that you can grow up, and then they're going to be very valuable when they've got a higher amount of followers. Okay, next up we have YouTube. So I'm assuming if you're on this video, you're a big fan of YouTube. And to be honest, you can actually make a lot of money off it. But the thing is with YouTube, the catch and the kicker is it takes a lot of time. So a lot of people quit before they actually get success. But the best thing about it is you do the work once, you make the video once, and it stays up and earns forever. You can earn the easiest way by the ads. So it's called Google AdSense, and they put ads at the start, the middle, the end of your videos, anything like that. You just need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So as you can tell, it's going to take a while, but it's worth it long term. Okay, so the next method I'm going to talk about, not many people are mentioning right now, but it's a bit of a diamond in the rough in my opinion. So the method is ranking businesses on Google. Now before you get scared and you start thinking, I don't have the skills, the best thing about this method is all the information is there to learn for free on YouTube. You will approach businesses and let them know that you can actually rank their page higher. The higher up a page is on the Google search, the more people are going to click, the more leads the business is going to get, which means the more customers they will get. Once you explain that to a business, you become invaluable. Okay, so you've made it to the end, and this is where I'm going to reveal my bonus method. Now, if you listen very carefully, this can change your whole entire life. What I'm about to show you is something that can earn you over $1,000 commissions. $1,000 commissions is the type of money that if it happens over and over, that is a life-changing money. It's much bigger and better than something that's going to earn you $20 an hour or $5 a gig. This is absolutely incredible. And the training it gives you is everything you need to make it happen. and you're also going to get your own business advisor. So if you want everything an A to Z method, click the first link in the description below to change your life forever.